it's fine.
For flying high, the Atlanta Falcons to gain winning streak came to an end.
What an idiot.
That was it. Target one specific item, it makes me wonder. Current video is now locked.
That huge wildfire in Southern California. Oh my God!
Know anybody that wants tools?
What kind of tools?
Ooh, I just saw an accident.
I got behind us.
What are you doing? Go!
Work faster. I would tell you more about the story, but as soon as I read the first couple of sentences, I poured a full cup of coffee onto my lap.
Oh, yeah.
Damn it!
Seriously?
Built up these earthen mounds that they could hide.
Oh shit! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yeah, to put it into the contract.
Okay.
Because we had a 2000. Wow! Oh, Jesus! Sorry.
Oh my God.
Huge car.
When you watch them on film, you're like, okay, but they're playing well together.
Team is going to meet for this that was mostly untouched, not harassed.
Built up these earthen mounds that they could hide.
Oh shit! Oh my God! Oh my god. Get out!
What the heck? Whoa!
Sent me this email that said worst decision ever, and that really.
Now you can see the
Oh my
49ers
gosh.
with your new LASIK.
Wow.
But remember, you must complete all laser LASIK by Labor Day. So before these 49er game tickets are all gone, call now to get your free LASIK evaluation with Dr. Scott Hyper. He can see you in Daly City, Santa Clara.
You think you Peter Pan? Get a big kid's meal.
You ever seen a 7-1 guy go car shopping? Thanks, guys. I don't know how this is gonna get.
What the? What is that?
Smart speaker with the Alexa skill is so convenient. And of course, on your radio at night.
Happened a lot in the NBA.
Whoa. So close.
Right, but
There's so much traffic. You ever seen a 7-1 guy go car shopping? Thanks, guys. I don't know how this is gonna get.
Oh my god!
You fucking idiot. Motherfucker, here we go! God damn it! God damn.
A crash has been detected. Honda Link Assist will call emergency service.
Serious?
Nothing feels wrong at first. The road is calm. Traffic flows without tension. Engines hum quietly in the background. These are the moments drivers trust the most. There are no flashing warnings, no sudden movements, just steady motion and familiar surroundings. And then a mistake happens. It is not dramatic, it is not intentional, it is not intentional. It is small enough to be dismissed until it cannot be. Undone. Distance closes faster than expected. A reaction comes half a second late. Space disappears without noise. The impact itself is brief. Almost quiet. What follows is silence. Cars come to rest. Hazard lights flicker. Drivers sit still, processing what just happened. Dashcam footage often captures motion, but what it also captures is realization. The understanding that a normal drive has changed everything. Accidents like this do not begin with recklessness. They begin with comfort, with routine, the belief that control is guaranteed. This video is not shared to frighten. It is shared to remind that attention is fragile, that seconds cannot be taken back. And that silence on the road can be just as dangerous as chaos. Drive with awareness. Leave space. Stay present. Because sometimes the road does not shout a warning. It simply waits.
Emergency video.